Alright, welcome back guys. I'm Josh and this is my channel. So what we're gonna do is, I actually been wanting to try Thai, is that how you say it? Thai rolled ice cream. Yeah, I've been wanting to try that like so bad. So I found this place that has it and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm going to go there and see exactly what I want. That one looks pretty good. Yeah, so this is basically what they have. So to me, I mean, it looks delicious and I can't wait to try it. Let's go, I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna get this. I want that one. I want this one. This is the one I want right here.
All the way down on the right.
Oh my god. Okay. Look at these. Okay, I'm ready.
Is this apple?
Huh?
What are you getting?
So I'm in the place just waiting, patiently waiting. Can't wait for my pig thigh, what? Ice cream. Let's go. Sorry guys, they take kind of a long time. But I fuck with this drink. Yeah, your booty stink. I'll be rapping hella good when I'm on the mic. Oh gosh, that's the Alright, so that took a very long time, like longer than expected. Gotta get that good angle. I don't even know where to start first. Like, I'm so excited to try it. Like, it's gonna ruin how it looks. It looks so nice right now. Oh. Can I pick a roll up? Dude, the way that just melts in your mouth is so amazing. That was freaking so good right now. One more bite, hold on. Yes. I think I found my new thing that I'm gonna be getting from now often. Like this isn't a thing where you're like, oh, I had it, like it's good but I want to go back to it. This is something like, oh, that shit is so fire, I'm gonna come back to this. I don't know when, but this just melts in your mouth and it's just amazing. Love it. I give this a 10 out of a 10. And oh, and I got this coffee too. Got a coffee. This coffee is also fire. I love this place. If you guys want to know where it's at, it's Bobalicious. I got nothing bad to say about it. It's really packed though, so just be ready for the line. Other than that, this was worth the wait. I've been dying to try this, and honestly, it was worth it that I tried it now. I love it. 10 out of 10. Let's get home now, guys. These spoons are like a little flimsy though. They're like bend so much. I could only like get the top layer off, but then once I get like halfway down the cup though, I can't even pick anything up. That's the only problem I have. Alright, so as you guys can see, it was actually really good. Cause look, I'm already done with my coffee. Finished the ice cream on the car right here, all on the car ride. So it was very delicious. But I mean, for this outro, you know, just that's really it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, this little review video. This Crackhead Energy coffee. I'm all juiced up now. You know what I mean? Finished some ice cream on the way here. And so it was very good. I rate that a 10 out of 10. All 25 stars. You know what I mean? So peace, like, comment, and subscribe. Later.